Let's work on the wagon, block 1 of our last row in our spring showers quilt. The wagon is on page 55. I have the background fabric that has interfacing fused on the back, batting, and the material also has interfacing on the back. From the embellishment kit, I will be using cork, green felt, and silver leather. Let's get started. I've opened Embellishment software so I can merge the wagon embroidery file with the background quilting. While this is easily done straight from the machine, I like to merge my files in software so I can do many of the files at one time. And what I actually did was merge all my designs before I even started to work on the spring showers quilt. This just saves time so my files are ready to go when I have time to sit down and sew. I will open the background quilting. I can go to the Merge Stitch file on the top right toolbar, or I can open the folder that it's located in. I have my folder on the desktop so it's easy to access. I will open the quilting bundle, and this block will use Weather 3, block by block, and it will use the 6 by 8 vertical. I will drag and drop that into the hoop and it will be centered. Now I will bring the wagon design in. I will go to the Embroidery Files folder and scroll down until I find the wagon. I will drag and drop it into the software and it will be centered. This wagon needs to be moved to the bottom of the block so it doesn't look like it's floating. I will select the wagon, and using my arrow keys on my keyboard, I will move it to the right until the wheels touch the inner orange border of the background quilting. I will go to File, Save Stitch File As, and name my block. I will put it into my Spring Showers Combined Files folder and hit Save. Now I will add it to my USB and take it to my machine. I will select Embroidery, go to my USB, and then to the Combined Files folder. I will scroll down to find the wagon block. I will set and then hit Embroidery. Now I will move my block down and to the left to save on stabilizer. The strip of muslin excess is hanging off the back, so when I move my block down and to the left, it will start low on the strip to help save on stabilizer. have with the other blocks in this quilt, I will trim the muslin right next to the batting line. This will prevent muslin in the seams and create less bulk when I sew the blocks together. I will iron the block with best press and trim it to size. You can see here that I was very close to the edge of this block when I placed the fabric over the batting at the beginning of making this block. But I had enough to cut a 1/4 inch seam, so it all worked out. I think this is one of my favorite blocks of the quilt.